now wearing her professional organizer hat. With the 40 days of Lent upon us, she has some ideas about decluttering during this Lenten season. Good to see you again.
Good to see you again. It's just been a few minutes.
Just moments, but we've been taping things all morning too, so she's just been here all day long. This season, which is, a part of the church calendar, we are now in the Lent, which began with Ash Wednesday on Wednesday. So I think we were talking before we came on the air, this is a good time to sort of focus on things you need to work on. So, you're suggesting declutter for the 40 days.
Yes, yeah. Part of getting organized and decluttering is being intentional. And I feel like Lent is a great time of year that reminds us to be intentional. Intentional with our faith as well as everything that we do in our lives. So it's a great time for you to really think about what can I let go of in my life and in my space that's hindering me from my real purpose. So declutter, 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 right?
And so she has this clever device that, anyone can have in their home.
I brought the most amazing organizing tool.
I can't wait for you to show it.
I'm about to display for you. Okay, so here it is. It's a trash bag.
There you go.
Fantastic trash bag. Yes. So this is my tool for today.
Okay.
So you may see on social media there are challenges out there, 40-day challenges for you to either, and it depends on the level of decluttering you want to go to here. So if we've got a challenge for the extreme and for the wussies, but the simplified one is to find one item every day that you no longer need in your space. Put it in a bag, and then at the end of the 40 days, you've got 40 items you've decluttered. You can then donate to a worthy cause.
That's good, and take that off. If you're going to donate it to a worthy cause, you can take that off your taxes, can you not?
You can, yes. There's actually, and this is a side note, there's actually an app called It's Deductible, where you can put in where you live, and it has your local charities in there, and it'll give you the value of the items that you're donating.
It's deductible, so this is an
deductible. It's
good to know.
Yes, okay, so that's a side note. So the 40 items in 40 days is a great way. Some people do a bag a day.
Or a box a day you could do,
a bag or a box a day. So grab those trash bags. Some of that could also be trash. Maybe you have a bag's worth of trash that you want to throw out today or tomorrow or something. So you've got a bonus day tomorrow, right? Leap day. So take your day, spend some time in your home, and even just every day for the next 40 days, think about intentionally, what could I live without? A lot of times when we're working with our clients, we ask, do you need it? Do you love it? Do you want it? Some people say, yes, 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 I want it all, I want it all. So I've rephrased the question, can you live without it? If you were to move to Florida for 3 months in the winter, what would you take with you? Let's say you're driving. What would you pack in the car with you? And then if you left the item at home, maybe you don't need that item.
Maybe you can live without it.
Maybe you can live without that item. So something to think about.
That's great. I think this is a great way to use your 40 days of Lent too, rather than giving up something that you like. Kale that Ron Rhodes always gives out is something that's really meaningful that's going to impact your life.
Right, and it's a way of sacrificing too, sacrificing to be generous to other people. And that's something that I talk to my clients about too. It's not just about you and what you want, but do you have items? Why would you store, say, a baby item that you're not planning to have more kids? Why would you store that for the next 15 years when you could give it to somebody now who needs it?
Who could use it.
Exactly.
Well, thank you, Amy. You always bring the wisdom, lasting order. We'll be back with more lifestyles right after this. A final check of the weather coming your way.